2027 Honda Fury is once again turning heads with its unmistakable factory chopper styling. Although Honda has not officially introduced a redesigned 2027 Fury, the motorcycle continues to stand out as one of the most unique cruisers ever built. With its stretched-out front end, low-slung profile, and timeless custom-inspired appearance, the Fury remains a favorite among riders who want true chopper style straight from the factory. Power is expected to continue coming from Honda's legendary 1,312 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled 52-degree V-twin engine, delivering smooth low-end torque and effortless highway cruising. Paired with a 5-speed transmission and a virtually maintenance-free shaft drive, the Fury offers relaxed performance, dependable reliability, and the unmistakable character of a big V-twin cruiser. The design is what truly sets the Fury apart. A dramatically raked front fork, slim teardrop fuel tank, chrome dual exhaust system, low 26.7-inch seat height, and minimalist rear fender create a long, lean silhouette that looks like a custom-built chopper. Every angle of the motorcycle is designed to make a bold statement wherever it goes. Modern features help balance the classic styling. Riders can expect full LED lighting, fuel injection, standard ABS, digital instrumentation, and Honda's renowned build quality. While the Fury focuses more on timeless cruiser appeal than cutting-edge electronics, it delivers everything needed for confident and enjoyable riding. Comfort is another strong point. The relaxed riding position, forward-mounted foot controls, wide handlebars, and smooth V-twin engine make the Fury an excellent companion for long highway rides and weekend cruising. The low seat height also makes the bike approachable for a wide range of riders. Now let's talk about the price. If Honda continues offering the Fury into the 2027 model year, the expected starting price would remain around $11,500 to $12,000, depending on the market and optional accessories. Official pricing will only be confirmed if Honda announces a new model year. If you're looking for a motorcycle that delivers authentic chopper styling, dependable V-twin performance, and Honda's legendary reliability, the 2027 Honda Fury continues to be one of the most distinctive factory-built cruisers available. It proves that bold design never goes out of style, making every ride a true head-turning experience.